Unpacking and setup. These videos will guide you through the flush and standard installation of Monogram side-by-side refrigerators. For more detailed instructions, warnings, and requirements, please see the written product installation guide. Before you begin, there are a few things you should know. The following tools are required for proper installation. Should this be a custom panel application, all panels would be required. Hardware supplied with the refrigerator may include a water filter bypass plug, toe kick, 1/4-inch nut and ferrule, and dispenser trim for overlay panels if this is a custom panel model. The refrigerator must be placed on a level surface of hard material that is at the same height as the rest of the flooring. This surface should be strong enough to support a fully loaded refrigerator, or approximately 1,500 pounds. To protect the finish of the floor, cut a large section of the cardboard carton and place it under the refrigerator where you are working. For the installation space, be sure that the proper dimensions are all accurate. For standard installation, cutout spec dimensions are 84 inches high and 24 inches deep. 36-inch models are 35.5 inches wide. 42-inch models are 41.5 inches wide, and 48-inch models are 47.5 inches wide. For flush inset installation, cutout spec dimensions are 85 inches high and 26 3/16 inches deep. 36-inch models are 39 inches wide. 42-inch models are 45 inches wide, and 48-inch models are 51 inches wide. Be sure that the electrical and cold water supply opening is in the correct location. A 115-volt 60 Hz 15 to 20 amp power supply is required, and an individual properly grounded branch circuit or circuit breaker is recommended. This must be a dedicated circuit. The water line can enter the opening through the floor or back wall. Route the 1/4-inch copper PEX or Smart Connect refrigerator tubing between the cold water line and the water connection location. The tubing should be long enough to extend to the front of the refrigerator. Installation of an easily accessible shutoff valve is also required. Be warned that the refrigerator is much heavier at the top than at the bottom and could tip over. When using an appliance dolly, handle from the sides only. Carefully cut the banding at the top and bottom, then remove the outer carton. Slide out the 2 back corner posts. Slide the carton off the top of the cabinet. The unit is secured to the skid. Remove the 4 7/16 bolts from the base. Do not attempt to roll the unit off the skid. Before the unit is removed from the skid, you will need to remove the support blocks from the unit. The toe kick is taped to the left side of the refrigerator. Remove it and set aside for final installation. Do not lay the unit down to remove the skid. Lift the refrigerator off the skid with an appliance dolly, handling from the sides. Do not remove the white dispenser trim collar.